guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seshal and you're watching the channel titled Cravings. So today's recipe is gonna be Mango Delight. So it's so easy to prepare since it's a mango season. I have realized that I haven't done any recipes regarding mango. So we will be doing that today. It's the bite of this biscuit, the mango custard which we are gonna prepare from the scratch, and the biscuit also maybe from the scratch. So all the taste, that desiccated coconut, the nuts, everything is a whole compact bite. So without any further ado, we'll just get right into it. Now first we will start with our mango custard. Here I have mango custard powder, 4 tablespoons. To that I'll be adding 1/4 cup of milk, and I'll just keep on stirring it. Use a small bowl because we're going to be transferring it to bigger one. So just give that a little stir and keep it aside. Now moving on to the stove, here I have 4 cups of milk. You can use whole milk, that would be appreciated, and add into a saucepan or any pan you would prefer to use it. And to that I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and just stir it. The aroma and everything is just so good, so just do that. And to that I'll be adding half a cup of granulated sugar. You do not add more sugar because the mango itself has too much sugar in it, so do not add too much. And once the milk boils, now we will start adding our mixed custard. So gently add into the milk and just give that a little stir. Now first we will prepare our mango puree. So here I have these fresh mangoes to get the really freshness of these mangoes, and I will be pureeing it in a mixie. So to that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 cup of milk. Now just grind it. Now again moving on to the stove, now that it's set it for some time, and always check it should be in medium flame, not too high, not too low. So since it started to thicken a little bit, now make sure it chills down for at least 10 minutes. And now I'm just gonna add the mango puree onto this. Now just give it a gentle stir, do not overmix, just give it a stir. Now it should be rested in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And now we will make our biscuits from scratch. For that you will be needing 100 grams of unsalted butter. It could be around 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, and just give that a little mix. Add little by little, and I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. This is optional, but it really gives a really good taste to your biscuit. And just stir that. Now add the rest of the butter and give it a mix again. It should be turned into fluffy texture. And here I have 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now what I did was I took the sugar and the one which I have grinded the mango onto it, so I've added the sugar so that it would get the mango flavor, so that it looks great. And to that add 1/4 cup of milk and gently mix it. And to that I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm dividing into 3 parts again. Make sure the sides you are scraping out the sides. And now this is the second portion. Now on to the third portion. Here I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and directly put onto the mixture. Now we can do it separately as well, but I like to do it this way. And now add 2 tablespoons of milk, the last, and then once you finished with the whisk, now you take the spatula and then just mix it with the spatula. Now once it's done, if you have a piping bag, use it, or otherwise you can use Ziploc bag to pipe it out. Now I will take the mixture and I will put it carefully onto my piping bag. So take any cup or something, and on top of that you can just put this piping bag and you can use it, because without any mess we need to do, right? So we'll just start doing this method. So now that it's all clean and we are ready to use now, just pull it out. So here I have baking tray where we are going to bake our biscuits, and I placed with the parchment paper, and now cut the tip for about 1 inch. And now here you can be really creative. If you want a really small biscuits or the shape whatever you want, you can just use them. I'm just going to make a simple rectangle, and later I'm just going to break them and I'm going to use onto the dessert. So if you are like to do the rectangle as I'm showing you here, please do follow the method. And use a spatula to smoothen out the surface. And here I have the extra batter, so I thought I would make a small biscuits out of it. So you could do that. It's really tasty, so you can just eat them for free, or you can decorate it above the dessert. And dust them with a little bit of flour onto the dough. Now bake them at 180 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So the biscuits are prepared beautifully, and I have let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes outside before it cools down. Look at that really thin, crispy texture. This is all you want, and that's all great. And here is the assembling part. So first I'm just going to break the biscuits. Now you can use them as a whole. You want to break into small pieces, it's all up to you. Now I'll take the mango custard and I'll just put the layer onto the biscuit. And now the second layer of biscuit I'll be adding. Now here I have 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. The coconut and the mango taste really good together. And here I have about 10 chopped almonds, and just drizzle it above the coconut. And now add the third layer of the mango custard. Now it's totally up to you. You can even place however you like, that's the thing of it. So just be creative with this. Now here I have these small biscuits which I have prepared, right? So I'm just gonna break them into pieces and then just decorate it above the delight. Now the most hated part, we need to set this in the freezer for about 4 hours. And once it's done, you are ready to go. It's so easy, and as I said, it's so beautifully prepared. If you enjoy watching this video, please make sure to give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please comment below what you would like me to prepare in the further videos. And also please do subscribe to my channel. This would really support me to do more amazing stuff. And also hit the bell icon, then you will be getting notified whenever I post new videos. And also please do check on the description below and for all the recipes and the ingredients. So until then, ciao!